Stanley? Stanley, what are you? Stanley. Oh, okay, that's because Stanley! What are you doing, baby? What are you? Oh. Stanley, you're. Oh, look at this little Stanley tail. Little Stanley tail. Look, Stanley. Ow, Stanley. Oh, look at you, you're so cute. Stanley, where are you going? He's stuck. Stanley. Ooh. You say hi, Stanley? Oh, little boy. Oh, he's so cute. Little Stanley. Oh, it's okay, little Stanley. It's okay, little Stanley.
It's no secret that my daughter does cosplay, and that's how she interacts with the puppies. This puppy has his own fan art based on the game Stanley Parable, where my daughter cosplays the narrator. I will give credits to the artist in the description. Thank you.
Guys, I didn't know that dog mode in the Stanley Parable actually turns Stanley into a dog. How is he supposed to tell my story and go through my story if he's a dog? Look at him. He's trying to rip up. Stanley, look at your bucket. You like bucket, Stanley? Bucket? Oh, great. Stanley, what are you doing now? Stanley! I think Stanley likes the toy. Stanley, you like toy? Yeah. Yeah, to play the toy. Oh, Stanley. Yeah, guys, I don't... Oh my god, Stanley, what... Stanley. Oh, Stanley, play with the toy. Oh, Stanley. Here, bucket. Oh, Stanley. Someone help. I don't know what to do with Stanley. He's a dog now. Dog mode is actually real. Dog mode is...